Hello Sabros, it's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy, and in today's video I'm going to show you the EMUI 10.1 best features, so let's get started. The update allows always on display clock style to change the color dynamically based on the time of the day, and you can also download extra AOD themes. Go to settings, home screen and wallpaper and choose always on display to try it out. The EMUI 10.1 adds free fingerprint unlock animation options. Go to settings, biometrics and password, fingerprint ID, input your lock screen password as required, then touch fingerprint animation to select your preferred option. This is my favorite, by the way, like that. EMUI 10.1 also adds a new swipe between apps gesture. When you choose the gesture as your navigation, now you can swipe left or right on the bottom area to switch apps like stock Android Oxygen OS, like this. By the way, still no support for swiping down from anywhere on the home screen to pull down the notification panel. EMUI 10.1 also adds Assistant to home screen, providing smart reminders, personalized news and other content relevant to you. Multi-window allows you to multitask with ease in split screen mode and send messages using a floating window while watching videos or playing games. This is a very nice feature. Did you already update your Huawei P30 or P30 Pro to EMUI 10.1? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, bros. Share the video, like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Stay safe, wear the mask, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!